You've seen this before. One clip looks smooth, the other like a GoPro strapped to a pogo stick. Both shot on the exact same camera. The difference? A simple technique filmmakers call the Ninja Walk. And today, I'm going to show you how to use it to keep your footage smooth. No gimbal required. All right, one of my subscribers, average at most things, asked how to get better at the Ninja Walk with the Insta360 X5. So for this video, I'll be focusing on showing you how to do it with a handheld, smaller 360 cam. By the way, hilarious name. The good news, these same rules apply no matter what you're holding. The X5 has great stabilization, or my X4 back there, but if you're walking, looks like you're late to jury duty, no software is going to save you. Here's how to do it. First, you want to bend at the knees. Think athletic stance, not stiff leg robot. Lowering your center of gravity takes away a lot of that bounce. Second, heel to toe steps. Roll through each step so the movement flows. Now, some people just go ball to ball and skip the heel entirely, so try both and see what works for you, really. Third, glide. Don't bounce. Imagine your eyes sliding on a rail. If your head stays level, so does your footage in most cases. Fourth, small controlled steps. Short strides equal control. Longer strides means more wobble, more correction, and more headaches for you in post. And last, engage your core. Keep your midsection steady, but let your arms stay a little loose. You like water. I know that sounds like I'm teaching you the third scroll from an ancient martial arts manuscript or The Last Airbender, but once you figure it out, you'll get why everybody says it. Now, with the Insta360 X5, flow state stabilization is already doing a lot for you, but we all know it's not magic. You stomp around, you're still going to see a lot of warping and wobbling. A clean Ninja Walk, it makes it easier for your footage to come out clean. Now, one quick tip to keep the selfie stick closer to your body. Bend your elbows a little, and that'll cut out a lot of that vertical motion, and it'll stop you from swinging the thing around like a fishing pole. If you want to practice, here's an easy drill you can do at home. Find your longest hallway. Put a piece of painter's tape down that wall at camera height. Not that thick stuff, the thin stuff. As you walk, keep your finger locked on that tape. If you're bouncing, you're going to feel it. And if you're steady, you're going to feel that as well. So remember, soft knees, heel to toe, glide like you're sneaking out at 2 in the morning. Nail the Ninja Walk in your Insta360 X5 footage, and it looks more professional along with the rest of your footage. Big thanks to you, average at most things, for the question. Keep sending them in because they turn into videos like this. If you want to support the channel, check the links below, whether it's discounts on gear or grabbing a bag of my Turkish coffee from my other project, Zimmer's Coffee. Boom. I've also got a membership program here on YouTube with deep dive tutorials for whenever you want to go a little bit further. And if none of that's your thing, no worries. I just hope this video helps you. And also, YouTube thinks you're going to like this next video over here. So go check it out if you get the time. I'll catch you next time. What's that thing down there? Don't worry about that thing down there. That's another little project I'm working on. Don't ask questions.